Learn from the best 10 finance books to read in your lifetime. These books will help you get ahead in your finances. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is one of the most influential books on investing ever written. The book has helped generations of investors to make better decisions about how to grow their money in clear and concise language. Graham provides a framework for thinking about investments that is still relevant today. His focus on value investing, buying shares in good companies at attractive prices, has made him one of the most respected names in finance. For anyone looking to improve their understanding of investing, The Intelligent Investor is an essential read. 2. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The authors use data from a national survey of millionaires to paint a picture of who these people are and how they got their money. One of the most surprising findings is that many millionaires are not born into wealth. Instead, they build their fortunes through hard work and careful financial planning. The book provides readers with an inside look at the habits and mindset of successful people, and it offers valuable lessons on how to become financially independent. Whether you're looking to become a millionaire yourself or simply want to better understand the psychology of wealth, The Millionaire Next Door is a must-read. 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The book is based on the life experiences of Robert Kiyosaki, who was raised by two fathers: his biological father, who was a well-educated man but struggled financially, and his friend's father, who was not as well-educated but was rich. Kiyosaki draws on these two contrasting experiences to offer readers advice on how to become financially successful. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of asset acquisition. Kiyosaki argues that it is not enough to simply earn a good income. One must also focus on building up assets that will generate passive income. He also emphasizes the importance of financial education, and he provides readers with practical tips on how to save and invest wisely. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers valuable insights into the world of finance and is well worth reading for anyone interested in becoming financially independent. For the Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. The book provides readers with 7 steps to financial freedom. Ramsey's advice is based on his own experience with money troubles, as well as the success of his clients. In the book, Ramsey recommends utilizing a debt snowball method in order to pay off debt, which involves paying off debts from smallest to largest, while still making minimum payments on all other debts. He also stresses the importance of creating a budget and sticking to it. Finally, Ramsey encourages readers to save for both emergencies and long-term goals. While some of Ramsey's recommendations may seem extreme, his advice has helped countless people get their finances back on track. The Total Money Makeover is a must-read for anyone who is serious about getting their financial house in order. 5. The Wealthy Barber by David Chilton. The Wealthy Barber by David Chilton is an engaging and informative book that provides readers with practical advice on how to save and invest for their future. The book is divided into 3 sections, each of which covers a different stage of financial planning. In the first section, Chilton helps readers to understand the basics of saving and investing. He provides clear and concise explanations of various financial concepts, such as compound interest and asset allocation. In the second section, he turns his attention to retirement planning, helping readers to calculate how much they will need to save in order to maintain their standard of living in retirement. Finally, in the third section, Chilton provides readers with guidance on estate planning, including wills and trusts. 6 Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. In his book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, Harv Eker reveals the secrets that wealthy people use to think and behave differently than the average person. One of the most important secrets is that wealthy people view money as a tool, while poor people see it as something to be avoided. This simple shift in perspective can have a profound impact on your financial success. Other secrets include being willing to take risks, staying focused on your goals, and taking responsibility for your own financial future. By implementing these secrets into your own life, you can begin to create the financial success you've always dreamed of. 7. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. The book centers around the concept of automating your finances, so that you can live a stress-free life and reach your financial goals. The Automatic Millionaire provides readers with a step-by-step guide to setting up their finances so that they are automatically funneled into savings and investment accounts. The book also includes tips on how to cut expenses and make small changes in your spending habits that can have a big impact on your overall financial health. In addition, the book discusses the importance of having an emergency fund, as well as how to invest for the long term. Whether you're looking to become a millionaire or simply want to get your finances in order, The Automatic Millionaire is a great resource. 8. The Wealthy Fool by David Key Johnston. David Key Johnston's The Wealthy Fool is a comprehensive and eye-opening look at the disturbing trends in American society that are concentrating more and more wealth in the hands of a tiny elite. Through meticulous research and sharp analysis, Johnston shows how the wealthiest Americans are using their influence to rig the system in their favor, leaving the rest of us to struggle just to get by. He also offers some hopeful solutions for reversing these trends and creating a more just and prosperous society for all, though it can be a bit dry in places. The Wealthy Fool is an essential read for anyone who wants to understand how we got here and what we can do to fix it. 9. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco. In the book, DeMarco argues that the traditional financial advice of saving your money and investing for the long term is flawed. Instead, he advocates for what he calls the fast lane, a path to wealth that involves starting your own business and taking risks. While the Millionaire Fast Lane has been praised by some as an innovative take on financial advice, it has also been criticized for its lack of detailed instructions. Nonetheless, the book remains a popular choice for readers who are looking for an alternative to traditional financial advice. 10. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. George S. Clason's The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic fable that has inspired generations of readers with its simple, yet powerful, message about the importance of financial planning. The story follows the trials and tribulations of a man named Eker, who becomes the richest man in Babylon through his wise use of money. Although the book was first published in 1926, its lessons are just as relevant today as they were nearly a century ago. In a time when so many people are struggling to make ends meet, The Richest Man in Babylon provides a much-needed reminder that we all have the potential to achieve financial security if we are willing to make sacrifices and put forth the effort. Whether you are just starting out on your financial journey, or you are well on your way to riches, this timeless tale is sure to provide you with some valuable insights. All these excellent books offers readers a different perspective on financial planning and wealth accumulation. While the advice contained in these books may not be right for everyone, they are all worth reading if you want to gain a better understanding of personal finance. In addition, each of these books provides helpful instructions and tips for setting up your finances so that you can achieve your financial goals. Whether you're looking to become a millionaire or just get your finances in order, these books will provide you with some valuable insights into the world of personal finance. Subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice.